Improving output of your current brewhouse. Boiling. Time is often wasted in heating the kettle to boil. Some considerations regarding the heating of work during runoff and boil. Heating capability of boil kettle. Whether the kettle is jacketed or has an internal or external calandria. The heat transfer surfaces must be correctly sized and located to ensure the contents are at boil in accordance with client requirements. Insulation. Reducing the potential for radiated losses and also afford operator protection. It is important to insulate the kettle surfaces. Vapor evacuation. It is important to correctly size the vent stack to facilitate efficient removal of vapors and condensables. Evaporation rate, length of stack, and ambient conditions are important factors in the stack sizing. In cases where stack fans are employed, again sizing is key. Steam pressure. If you have examined steam tables, you will realize the importance of steam pressure and its relationship to temperature. A high-pressure boiler is ideal, since when regulated down for use in the brew kettle, it will remain consistent at pressure independent of other brewery demands. A low-pressure boiler will fluctuate in pressure as the load on the system changes. Quantifying. Gauging a temperature, rather than a perception of rolling boil, to being boil time can add structure to your brewing process and ensure a more consistent product.